Hey guys, it's me, PK, and today I'm going to be doing a Coliseum video, which sounds kind of odd because the 3DS doesn't have any online capabilities anymore, but I'm going to be battling the Red Bulls, which I don't think you need online. So, my team I got is Kelvin, Jacob, Douglas, Sheldon. This is the other tank I caught yesterday that I was talking about. Cletus, Alien, Christina, and Eugene. I brought a Paralyzer since it's a good for the Coliseum. Alright. Now I got the battle ticket. This is the Red Bull, which may look strong, but if you're really good at the Coliseum, it's a very weak team. And you don't need the internet access, which is good. Now, I put the neck talent on my Paralyzer, so that way he can paralyze faster. I'm gonna go for the revived Denpa. Alright, so I got some of their Denpas paralyzed, but and there is two Denpas. And there goes another Denpa. So they only have 3 Denpas left, so I'm not going to even bother paralyzing since I downloaded the one non-paralyzed Denpa anyways. And I just beat the Red Bulls. Yeah, it's a very easy team if you know what you're doing and you have all the equipment. I won't be able to challenge other players since I can't do the online services, but I can find a water temple. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching, like and subscribe for more, and see y'all next time.